A lot of people have already surrendered, but we're still here, still trying to catch fish. Just caught this guy. It's hailing out here. That's a ton of fish. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently out here at the Bonneville Dam doing some shad fishing. And we've got our first shad in the net. And yeah, there's quite a bit of folks here. But yeah, this is the fishing spot. Hopefully we'll catch some more today. We'll see how it goes. So far, not a whole lot of people are catching a whole lot of shad. It's a nice shad. All right, let's go ahead and bonk him and go fish some more. All right, Kaye's on a fish on. Oh, he got off. Kaye's on a fish on again. There you go. This guy's spawning pretty good. Nice. Yeah.
Come on, up in.
Look at that. All right, oops. I think they're getting bigger. Kaye might be on a big shad here.
Oh, I got off.
Columbia River shad. Every single year they come up here. Hundreds of thousands of them. Hopefully we don't lose this one. Let's go land this guy. Ah! Came up. He wants to go to the net.
Good size.
Shad, I think it's shad number, I don't know, but there's been a lot of shads. Oh, it's right here. Nice. On it. These guys are dodgy. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I see him. Real.
It's nice. Small.
Look at that. Maybe I just need to lift the rod up. All right. I didn't waste time.
You finally landed.
I lost 5 in a row.
Finally!
Yeah, it's still on. Yeah. Yeah, just maintain that. Thing about these fish is they've got some very soft lips, so your drag's got to be really set pretty good. It's either a big one or a small one. That was a really good fish, but it came off.
Reeling in, reeling in, reeling in. Oh, ilahin mo na sa gitna, sa ano. Yan, ilahin mo na. Back to back. How's the feeling? Back to back. Feeling good?
Try to eat our catch, huh?
This is our catch of the day.
It's a lot of shad.
Ooh. 14.
So finally back at camp. And Kaye's got the shad all cut up there. These shad are gonna be fried later on, and we're also gonna be making some grilled shad.
We're going to cut this for grilling. Imagine this fish like just swimming in the water earlier.
This is marinated with lemon, a little bit of soy sauce, Johnny seasoning salt, ground black pepper for frying.
And that's the rest of the fish.
Yeah.
So lemon juice. Like that. Flip it and then for grilling. In the grill. Okay.
Just happy fishing! Hey, happy fishing! So these are the marinated shad earlier, and then we're frying it in vegetable oil.
Over. Ooh.
Oh, wow!
First time I didn't see the skin
Flip up.
stick to the grill. Fried fish looking good.
Yeah.
Look yummy.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Time to try the fried fish. I'm just gonna go ahead and try the. I think this is the part where the belly meets the back. Just the right amount of salt. It's very good.
They can use a dipping.
So this shad is actually really bony, but if you fry it this way, some of the bones actually can be you can just bite on the bones. Very good.
My own version of sauce. I'm gonna chop the onions and the tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little, and then I'm gonna put soy sauce and lime.
Pickled cherry tomatoes and pickled radish and carrots that I made.
Yeah. This fish is big. It's bigger than the container.
Grilled with the foil, and this one just directly to the fire.
So this one's got the grill marks. This one was cooked in the foil. But I think both of them are going to be equally delicious. Trying out the grilled shad right here. You can see the bones. You just kind of have to work through the bones. Very good, very fatty. Very bony fish, but very good when it's grilled. This one's the one that was grilled in the foil. You can see how tender it is. It's a lot of fats. Still bony. Very good. Good morning. It is the next day out here. Second day fishing here in the Columbia River. Got some coffee going at the camping spot. Kaye's on the hot water here.
Good morning.
And we've got a couple of coffees going on. We've got the black coffee, Vietnamese coffee, and this is also Vietnamese coffee here, Korean white coffee. Quite a bit of folks today. Today's the Washington free fishing weekend where you don't need a license to go fish for shad. That is, and there's a couple other species that you can fish for that doesn't require a license, but for the most part, shad fishing out here at the Bonneville Dam does not require a fishing license this weekend.
I want to beat my 100 shad 2 years ago.
The rain started hitting us again pretty good, but what's amazing about fishing is that people are just continuing to fish. Just look at that. We've got some wind, rain, all kinds of stuff, and people are still fishing. We've got some very dedicated fishermen. All right,
First fish of the day.
yeah. Now this shad is attacking me.
Yeah, he's not going anywhere.
This guy's fighting pretty good, but I feel like it's gonna be a small one. Nice. Got a big fish. Oh, oh, watch out, watch out. In case on a fish on too. There's a lot of fish going on. Nice. Rainy and windy, all kinds of stuff, and I want to fish on. Alright, I lost it. So I don't know what's going on today, but we've got the sun, we've got the rain, and we've got the shad. Alright, I'm gonna move over to Noel. Oh, just got it. It's a fighter rock. It's a Rocky Balboa, except it's a Rocky Shad. You don't need as much gear. Just need a couple of jig heads, and you're good to go. Actually, maybe you just need a few jig heads. We're about 60 jig heads down. Oh, there you go. Big one. This guy's a hog. Taking a break right now. Got the coffee, durian coffee, and black coffee. Yeah.
Oh my god! It's a big one!
This rain is no joke. This is by far the rainiest rain I've ever seen here in Washington. And we're still fishing. At least not that cold. I think I'm gonna go fish. See if we can catch something in this weather. It's actually hailing. This is hardcore fishing here.
Oh my god!
A lot of people have already surrendered, but we're still here, still trying to catch fish. Fishing right here.
Oh, don't lose it!
This has got to be the biggest shad. You're just gonna have to land it. We can't lose this guy. Look at him, look at him.
And look at the fish and look at all the swirls.
Just caught this guy and it's hailing out here. So just like that, rain had stopped and Kaye is on fish on. And just look at that. A lot of people have already left. But we're still here. Landed. Oh, the fish after the rain.